As you see, when go to Inkscape station, not have any extension with name Costycnc. For install Costycnc extension, go to in the description of the video and click this link, download extension. Will be redirect to Costycnc extension, or from here, click code and click download zip. And will save on my computer. In this case, I open on my desktop folder Inkscape and save. After this, open the folder, click right and extract. Okay. And this folder will put an Inkscape extension. So go to Inkscape, open Modify, open Preference, go to System and Extension here. Apply extension and go to copy this folder. Save first. That's save first. Okay. Go to again. Copy and go to Inkscape extension. Okay. And put here. Okay. We'll told this one because okay. And here we'll find the files that need to Inkscape. Inks and Py. Okay. Also here you can find the G code generated. Okay. G code in G. Now close the Inkscape because the extension Costycnc should not appear here. Okay, close. Okay, and now open again Inkscape. And now we'll see the extension Costycnc here. That is two program G code. Okay, that can select the port, the feed rate, the temperature, the DPE. Okay, and second is to move later the machine. This direction, right, left, down, up, and here is steps that I want move. But how function on another video. In this video, I show you only how install the extension. Goodbye and good working.